Houston, this is Watcher 1. We are seeing a deviation in telemetry data. Please confirm.
Watcher 1, your data looks clean. Likely a sensor error. Proceed with orbital check.
Negative, Houston. This is not a sensor error. We have visual contact. The moon. It's not where it's supposed to be.
Say again, Watcher 1.
It's getting closer. My God, it's coming towards us. Orbit is collapsing. Houston, are you seeing this?
Watcher 1. Code black. I repeat, code black. Initiate evacuation procedures immediately.
Did you know that Earth once had rings? The probability of this scenario is not zero, although near impossible right now. It remains within the realm of cosmic possibility. I am describing the only possibility that could recreate this scenario under current conditions. This is that possibility. The sky as we know it no longer exists. The silent guardian that once lit our nights transforms into the harbinger of our doom. The moon is falling to Earth. This is not just a story of collision. This is the story of humanity's greatest desperation and cosmic escape.
It starts with a minor discrepancy in the data. Observatories around the world whisper an impossible truth. The moon's orbit decays, and with every passing second, it draws closer.
The scientific community initially denies it. It has to be a calculation error. But gravity does not lie. As the waters begin to rise, the cold face of reality is met. When the truth becomes certain, humanity divides in two. Massive O'Neill cylinders, built in secret for years, take their places in orbit as the new arc.
Only the wealthiest and luckiest can secure a ticket to these habitats of glass and steel. While chaos reigns below, they watch the process from their artificial paradises above. This is survival in its most brutal form.
Earth does not accept its fate silently. A final line of defense is established. Scientists attempt the nuclear plans designed for asteroids on the moon itself.
The sky lights up with man-made lightning, the fire of rockets. But the moon is no asteroid. It is a god too massive to be defeated.
The explosions only scratch the surface. The inevitable end does not deviate by an inch. As the moon approaches, the oceans obey their master. coastlines are crushed under waves kilometers high.
Gravity pulls not just the waters, but the continents. The Earth begins to crack. Civilization's magnificent cities turn into cardboard castles against nature's fury. There is nowhere left to run, only an end to wait for. Life in the space habitats continues in sterile silence. They are the unfortunate lucky ones with front row tickets to history's greatest tragedy. The screams below do not reach the void of space. Only a visual apocalypse is watched.
The trauma of watching their true home burn while sunbathing in artificial parks etches into their souls. Conscience is heavier than gravity. And finally, that critical limit is crossed, the Roche Limit. Earth's gravity overpowers the moon's own gravity, holding it together. Our companion of billions of years begins to silently disintegrate in the sky.
It is no longer a single sphere. It transforms into a deadly river of stone. The laws of physics deliver their final and brutal verdict.
Trillions of tons of debris from the shattered moon enter the atmosphere. The sky is no longer blue, but pure, scorching fire. Oceans boil. Forests turn to ash instantly. The planet is sterilized.
Silence falls. There are no ears left to hear, no tongues left to tell. Thousands of years of human history merge into a sea of magma in a few hours.
When the storm settles, what remains is not the old Earth. Our planet now possesses a magnificent ring formed from the ashes of the moon, like Saturn. This is not an end, but merely a turning of the page on a cosmic scale.
The habitats drift slowly away, carrying the seeds of humanity towards the stars. The universe continues its story, indifferent, magnificent, and eternal.